Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School. In this video,
Vocabulary. Synonym. Antonym. Useful. Unuseful. Possible. Impossible. Useful. Unuseful. Possible. Impossible. Happy. Unhappy. Happiness. Unhappiness. Happy. Unhappy. Happiness. Unhappiness. Professional. Unprofessional. Amateur. Professionally. Unprofessional. Professional. Unprofessional. Amateur. Professionally. Unprofessional. Forget. Remember. Forget. Remember. Favorite. Unfavorite. Favorite. Unfavorite. Clever. Smart. Clever. Smart. Hard work. Hardworking. Lazy. Laziness. Inactivity. Hard work. Hardworking. Lazy. Laziness. Inactivity. Dream. Dreamer. Dreamy. Moony. Dream. Dreamer. Dreamy. Moony. Effective. Ineffective. Effectively. Ineffectively. Effective. Ineffective. Effectively. Ineffectively. Song. Singer. Songstress. Song. Singer. Songstress. Actor. Actress. Actorish. Dramatic. Actor. Actress. Actorish. Dramatic. Recommend. Recommendation. Recommending. Recommend. Recommendation. Recommending. Little. Small. Compact. Mini. A little. Short. Little. Small. Compact. Mini. A little. Short. Long. Longer. Long time. Length. Longitude. long, longer, long time, length, longitude, kitchen, room, private room, public room, bedroom, stay at home, kitchen, room, private room, public room, bedroom, stay at home, friend, buddy, old boy, old fellow, chummy, friendly, partner, friend, buddy, old boy, old fellow, chummy, friendly, partner, start, open, opening, opened, starting, beginning, start, open, opening, opened, starting, beginning, close, closed, finish, finishing, close, closed, finish, finishing, single, one, only, alone, myself, himself, single, one, only, alone, myself, himself, married, not single, not alone, no one, married, not single, not alone, no one.
That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say see you soon for another video.